In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bullet lists in OneNote with keyboard shortcuts. If you want to format notes faster and keep your writing organized without constantly moving your mouse around, this is a very useful shortcut to know. Using keyboard shortcuts in OneNote can save time, especially when you're taking quick notes during meetings, classes, or brainstorming sessions. To get started, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're working inside the note where you want your bulleted list to appear. This shortcut is most helpful when you're actively typing and want to switch into list formatting right away. Once your notebook is open, click your cursor anywhere in the note area. You want to place the cursor exactly where you'd like the bullet list to begin. If you're not starting a brand new section of notes, just click on an empty line. If you're adding bullets to existing content, place your cursor on the line where you want the formatting to apply. After that, press Ctrl and period on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut will turn the current line into a bulleted list item in OneNote. It's a quick and simple way to add structure to your notes without going through the toolbar. When using this, make sure you press both keys together. If nothing happens the first time, check that your cursor is active in the note itself and not in another part of the app. Also, confirm that you're using the desktop version of OneNote, since shortcuts can sometimes behave differently across versions. This shortcut is especially useful when you're building outlines, listing action items, or organizing ideas into clear points. Once the bullet appears, you can continue typing your first item right away. From there, you can usually press Enter to move to the next bullet and continue your list naturally. A small tip to make your workflow smoother is to get into the habit of placing your cursor first, then using the shortcut before typing. That way, your content is already formatted correctly from the beginning, and you won't need to go back and adjust it later. That's all it takes to create bullet lists in OneNote using a keyboard shortcut. It's a simple trick, but it can make note-taking much faster and cleaner. Practice it a couple of times, and it will quickly become part of your normal workflow.